Okay, day 2. And it's lagging again. Debug the passwords. Password policy, lowest and highest. How many passwords are valid? Great. Sounds good to me. So we need to figure out how to break these lists up. Let's look at it. Okay, so we can break on spaces first, and then break up each of those chunks. Sounds good. Okay, so let's just do file to list, and we're just going to map each of these. So we first want to say, let's see what this gives us. Ah, shoot, I'm forgetting how to do my maps. I haven't done this in too long. Yeah, let's forget the map for now. Okay. Let's do it by index. This will be a little bit slower, but I know how to code it. So for in range len L. Great. And we're going to say L of I is equal to L of I dot split. And we're just going to see what happens. Oops. Great, we got that split up. And then we want to split the first element. Okay, so we're going to say, let's make a tuple. So we're going to say that let's read these again. Okay, so the minimum value is equal to, okay, let's first actually get out the split parts. Toks is equal to that, and then we're going to say minval is equal to toks 0 dot split, and we're going to split on the dash character, and we're going to get the first one. And then we're going to do the same thing for max val is equal to toks 0 dot split. I could have just copied pasted this, but I didn't. And then we're going to get out the character that we're looking for, which is going to be, let's call it char is equal to toks of 1 of 0, because it's just the first character in that list, or not list, in that string. And then we've got the password is equal to toks of 2. Now let's L of I is equal to a nice little tuple, and it's going to be minval, maxval, char, p-word. And let's just try running that. Cool, we've got all that changing the way we want. Excellent. So now what we have to do is go through and see how many of them are valid. So actually, we don't even need to do this map because we have all the values. We can just see if it's valid. So let's count them. So we're going to say num valid is equal to 0, and we're just going to iterate. So it's valid if it contains that many times. So I mean, the easiest way is to just count, like just iterate. I'm certain there's a better Python function to do that, and we're going to look that up after this. So we're going to say for C and P word, We're going to say count is equal to 0, and if c equals char, count equals count plus 1, and then we're going to say if count is less than, or is it less than or equal to, probably? At least 1 and at most. Great. It's less than or equal to max val, and count is greater than or equal to, min val, then num valid is equal to num valid plus 1. Great. And then we just need to print num valid. Let's try that. Uh-oh. Int and string. Oh, I forgot to cast these. Okay. Hey, 536. Let's try that. 536. Excellent. Part 2. Okay, so, well, it's 2. Oh, goodness. Okay, where 1 means the first character, 2 means the second character, and so on. Be careful. Exactly one of these positions must contain the given letter. Okay, so it's 1 indexed. Okay. Yep. Other occurrences. Exactly one of these positions must contain the given letter. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we're going to say num valid 2 is equal to 0, and now we're going to say if, and we're going to look at the p word of minval is equal to char, or p word max val, and we got to subtract 1 because there's not one index, or because it's 1 index for some reason, or p word max. Char, then and I don't know how to do exclusive or in. Can I just say XOR? Nope. So we can just do this together and exactly 1. $5.58. Hey, well done. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at the leaderboard. Day 2, day 1 didn't have one. Wow, people finished this so fast. So the 4 minutes 32 seconds and 2 minutes 31 seconds. So I can look at my own personal leaderboard just to 11:04 and 5:84. Man, people are quick. I'm looking forward to getting faster as I do this. So next thing I want to do is clean this up, because this is definitely just a how quickly can we get this thing done situation. So I do like that we're just iterating over everything in there, and I don't take too much of an issue with the way that we're just kind of splitting it out, because that's fine. But I don't like this. I want to rewrite that, and I don't like this. So things I'm going to do is search. Let's see if we have operator.xor. is it just the... Oh, how do I type that? Oh, there we go. That's where it is on my keyboard. Let's make sure we get the right answer with this. Oh, nope, doesn't like that. Oh, it's bitwise XOR. Logical XOR, there we go. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I really like that actually. That's cool. Oops. Wait, that's 0. Oh, that's not right. 558. That's the right answer, yeah. Yep, 558. Cool. All right, I like that. That's a cute little XOR thing. And I don't need to set that list or anything. And don't need to print that, that's for sure. Let's just add a cute little... Nice, and let's figure out how to clean this thing up. So this is just counting the number of characters in the string. Well, there's a nice little thing here, okay. That's naive, cool. Dot count, really? Cool, wow. It's literally just that. Cool, I like it. That's a lot cleaner. Okay, so we've got... I'm actually satisfied with this because we're only iterating over the data once. We split the things and sure we reuse that, but who cares? Grab that character, password, get the count, and we just say if you're in the range. Oh, well, is there a better way to check range? I don't care. It's fine. Okay. I'm pretty satisfied with this. It was pretty straightforward, didn't really have any gotchas there, which makes sense for day 2. I'm just gonna write a little note here, and that'll be it. Day 2, done. Not on the leaderboard, but we've got the rest of the month to try to do that.